Shore up a springy subfloor by stiffening it with a properly fastened plywood layer and targeted joist reinforcement before installing bathroom flooring. Start by identifying the source of movement by walking the floor and marking any bounce spots. Remove finished flooring and vacuum all debris so you can see the subfloor condition and joist layout clearly. If the existing subfloor is less than 3/4 of an inch thick or shows delamination, install a new 3/4 of an inch exterior grade plywood, layer oriented perpendicular to the joists to distribute loads and reduce deflection. Use 3-inch construction screws spaced every 6 inches along edges and every 8 inches in the field, and countersink heads slightly below the surface so the new layer sits flat. Avoid using nails alone because they loosen with time. Tie the new plywood into the joists by running screws into the centers of joists you locate with a stud finder or by probing. This prevents shear between layers and stops localized springiness. For floors over open basements or crawl spaces, consider adding blocking between joists or sistering a portion of joists with properly fitted lumber where sag or rotation is evident to restore stiffness. The 3 most common mistakes are relying on adhesive alone to stop bounce, which will fail because the subfloor can move independently. Instead, fasten mechanically with screws into joists and add a plywood layer. Another mistake is failing to locate joists accurately, which leads to screws missing support. Find joists with a reliable method and probe if needed before screwing. A third issue is neglecting to clean and dry the area, which permits debris or moisture to prevent good contact and bonding. Vacuum thoroughly and allow drying time before laying plywood or underlayment. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides resources specific to subfloor reinforcement so we can help you find professionals and compare approaches. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share real project photos, tips, and cost experiences to guide your planning.